government decided, India decided that look, we want to be with the Americans and the global North nations. ये एक colonial mindset है about a zero sum game कि हम जीतेंगे वो तो दूसरे को हारना है. I forgot to mention this. On the other side, their model is of win-win. Win-win का मतलब क्या है? And this actually comes from the Chinese philosopher Confucius, which basically means it's about harmony. If I talk of, let's say, the human body, the brain has a role, definitive role, heart has a definitive role, lungs का अलग काम है, but they all have to work together for the body to function. That is harmony. That means in the universe, there are different countries, big and small, they all have a place, they all need respect. So there is a possibility of win-win through cooperation. हो सकती है. And this is what Putin also agrees with. So हमने ये तय किया है that we need to be close to the Americans. So although we are a global South nation, because we are a developing country, but we want to be identified with the global North, like the Prime Minister now is going to the G7. On the other hand, जो 80% world है, as I said, they are with these people. अब देखिए क्या हुआ. Very interesting thing. Starting from Obama, and especially, as I said, the world changed in 2017. All the American administrations, until the Biden administration, that means until the 20th of January 2025, till Trump became the president, the thinking was that इस area में, because this is where the contestation has to happen, and the strength of the Americans is their military power, we should have a security competition with China. This is the American thinking because this is their strength. For example, in the Western Pacific itself, something like 330 US military bases surround China today. Now let's see this region that I am talking about, very interesting region. इसकी एक साइड पे you have ASEAN in the east. Now what have the Chinese done? Americans created ASEAN. Chinese in 2001 offered them the FTA, free trade agreement. अब वो उसको बढ़ा रहे हैं. They are coming up with a new free trade agreement which includes artificial intelligence, the fourth industrial revolution, technologies. I'm sorry I'm going a little fast because a lot of area has to be covered. Quite happy to take the questions after that. So, एक साइड पर तो ये है. So basically what they have done, the Chinese have done is that आज एक situation है जहाँ ASEAN nation, 10 member nation, they do not want war, they do not want to be identified close to America, they want prosperity, they want to stay neutral. जो allies भी हैं अमेरिका के, like Japan and South Korea, they've also done a triangular economic cooperation with China. Why China? Because China today is an economic superpower. China today does 31% of the world manufacturing. China today is the hub of global supply chains. सब कुछ वहीं बनता है. So एक साइड पे तो चाइनीज ने ये आसियान में कर दिया. When you look at Asia Pacific, दूसरी तरफ देखिए, at the other extreme is Africa. Africa is a continent of 54 nations. As I talk to you, 52 nations right now are in Henan province of Africa with Xi Jinping discussing about how to take the economic projects forward. So there is a total sway of America, and the Russians and the colonists have been thrown out from Africa. अमेरिका को निकाल दिया, फ्रांस को निकाल दिया, सबको निकाल दिया. कहने का मतलब ये है, at the two extremes, when you look at the three great powers, all three great powers are involved. आसियान में भी इन्वॉल्व हैं, वो मिलिट्री अपना कर रहे हैं, और यहाँ अफ्रीका में भी हैं. बीच में हम बैठे हैं साउथ एशिया. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? तो हो ये रहा था, until the Biden administration was here, इंडिया को ऑफर किया गया था कि आप नेट सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइडर बन जाइए एज अ मिलिट्री बुलवार्क अगेंस्ट चाइना in the Indian Ocean region. Why in the Indian Ocean region? Because annual trade China का which comes from, let's say, the Gulf or the Gulf of Eden, वो जो पूरा आता है यूरोप से आता है ट्रेड, $3 trillion का, it passes through Indian Ocean, it passes through the Western Pacific. So this is their vulnerability. ट्रेड है उनका, तो इंडिया को रोल दिया गया एंड इंडिया हैप्पीली टुक इट. वी हैव साइंड ऑल द मिलिट्री अग्रीमेंट्स ऑफ अमेरिका और हम उनका अब नेटवर्क का हिस्सा बन चुके हैं. Once we were very happy till the end of the Biden administration that now we are a military bulwark against China and we get a lot of respect from the Americans. Not only that, the Americans also were supporting us as the biggest country in South Asia until the Biden administration was there. तो इसमें हम बहुत खुश थे. So एक नैरेटिव चला हमारे यहाँ, started by the External Affairs Minister, that we are also in a regional competition with China. हमारी जो आज GDP है वो 3.9 ट्रिलियन है, which is basically service based. China की 19 ट्रिलियन है, which is complete manufacturing based, and it is going to the next step of manufacturing, which is what they call the new productive forces. वो एक अलग चीज़ है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस उसके ऊपर है, चलेगी वो. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि एक हमने ये सोच बनाई कि अगर अमेरिका इज इन अ ग्लोबल कंपटीशन विद चाइना, वी शुड ऑल्सो बी इन अ रीजनल कंपटीशन विद चाइना. और दोनों देशों की प्रॉब्लम क्या है? इट इज़ अ कॉलोनिस्ट माइंडसेट दैट वी आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द राइज ऑफ चाइना. कि एक मुल्क सक्सेसफुल हो गया है, हमको उससे दिक्कत है, बिकॉज ये एक जीरो सम मेंटालिटी है. आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट द होल थिंग. You see, that as far as the Chinese are concerned, as far as the Americans are concerned, they have that capability to compete with China.